What about the Bay Bridge? What's wrong with it?
The upper deck appears to have collapsed during that earthquake.
Marina District of San Francisco. It looks like part of an entire city block is burning.
Please clear the area. We do not have enough medical personnel to be able to handle you if you get hurt here.
238, we have a major injury accident. Cypress and West Grand, they're advising major.
On October 17, 1989, the Loma Prieta earthquake struck California's central coast, mostly known for taking place at the same time as the San Francisco Giants playing against the Oakland A's in the 1989 World Series.
In any continent, downtown San Francisco in the background, and we zoom into Candlestick Park in the southeastern corner of this city. For the first time in 27 years, a World Series game will be played in Candlestick Park. The Battle of the Bay continues.
The earthquake shook both Santa Cruz and San Francisco, reaching a magnitude of 6.9. The earthquake caused widespread devastation throughout the San Francisco Bay Area, leaving the entire area shaken.
All the traffic lights were not working. The people, like normal, regular people, would come out and help direct traffic.
63 people were killed, 3,757 were injured, and thousands were left homeless. During this, the Bay Bridge collapsed in on itself, destroying one of the most well-known landmarks in San Francisco. When did you hear about the Bay Bridge collapsing?
I think that night on the news.
Was it a big news story?
Oh yeah, especially in San Francisco.
Bay Bridge broke because that quake shifted and pulled and twisted at it, so it moved 2 inches north and 5 inches east. Imagine the bridge moving that much.
But the Bay Bridge wasn't the only structure to collapse. San Francisco's Marina District was damaged heavily since it was built over unstable ground. Because of gas mains and pipes bursting, fires were sparked and burned throughout the city. The earthquake also heavily damaged the Cypress Street Viaduct or the Nimitz Freeway, which caused most of the earthquake-related deaths, with the freeway collapsing in on itself, crushing the cars and subsequent commuters below it, killing 42 people and injuring many others.
Total about 1.5 miles. As you can see, I trust from these aerials, about 1.5 miles section of the freeway collapsed late yesterday.
The damages in the Bay Area will reach as high as $10 billion to repair. Despite the area's condition, there were many response and recovery efforts made by both the city and its citizens. Federal and state government programs, religious groups, and volunteer support all helped in restoring the country to what it once was, and even better than before. Today, in order to prevent any similar national tragedies, the California Earthquake Early Warning System delivers both traditional sirens as well as wireless emergency alerts. San Francisco was rebuilt and recovered, showing the testament of its strength and the people who inhabit it.